So I've got my garden planted mostly. I wanted to share with everybody how it's coming along. It doesn't look super great, but I'm doing the best I can for my first garden in St. Louis. So let's take a look. Out we go to my yard. Code's going with us. Okay, these I planted in this winter. Those are spinach and onions and cilantro. I have a flower in there and spinach. These are just my flowers. Flower hanging pots. I'm gonna mow today. Aren't they pretty though? Oh look, Evie snuck out. I didn't see her come out. Evie. I have one little chili pepper start I want to plant, but I want them to get a little bit bigger first. But since it's so warm out, it can stay outside. I got a little stacky to put plants on. So I have catnip, parsley, what is that? Sage and rosemary. And then I have lettuce, and I planted some seeds, that you can make tea out of. Then I have sage down there, and then I have strawberries. The strawberries look really good. They're doing good in there. And my basil is, I'm hoping my basil will bounce back because the one down there looks good. So we'll see. I don't know. It's a work in progress. This is my cabbage. My cabbage looks good. I hope it balls up into a cabbage instead of just putting out leaves. And then I have onions in here as well. And then my garden. Coda, get out. He hopped in my garden. Come here. Coda, come here. Now, get out. Get out. Oh, I'm gonna have to fix that. He snuck in. Okay then, so glad that worked. Here's my potatoes. They seem to be doing good. And then I have more cabbage here. Sorry for yelling at Coda, but he wasn't supposed to be in there. And then I've got, these are jalapeno peppers. They're gonna get a good watering tonight because it's hot today. And then those are peppers. And I have tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes. And hatch peppers. I'm so excited about the hatch peppers. Some of them are doing good, some of them are not. This was a no-dig attempt at gardening. I need to go through and pull some weeds. So I'm gonna wait and water tonight. But the peppers I just planted this morning look really good. So this is it. There's my pear tree I planted. And I also planted an apple tree. Super excited about that. So this is the garden. Still a work in progress. I need to do, this is the first year I planted here, so next year it should be better, but I didn't get any seeds planted yet. I may still try to do that. I may try to do carrots this fall and plant some carrots this fall. We'll see. I still have more room to plant stuff. For such a small yard, this is a lot of peppers and tomatoes and cabbage. Some good stuff. And onions. I'm excited. We'll see how it does. I'll keep you guys posted. Please hit subscribe. I appreciate you watching my channel very much. Thank you.